guys. Na-surprise ako, nakita naman ako sa effort, pero habang, you know, as things unfolded, lumabas yung mga expose about him. Kasi ako naman, like personally, lahat naman ng supporters ko, na-appreciate ko lahat ng ginagawa nila, malaking bagay o maliit man yan. And then, nung una, okay naman. And then, parang nagsimula siyang mag-post ng mga long messages sa social media. So, parang naging uncomfortable ako. And after talking to my family and my closest friends, parang, I decided not to meet him na lang.
Okay, lesson learned from that?
Ako, personally, you don't have to do anything grand or whatsoever to get my attention. You know, I'm a very simple girl.
Kahit wala nang pa-billboard si May.
No need, yeah.